Exercise 4, Singapore Math 3A, we are starting question 3. Fill in the blanks. Here is a 5409 plus blank equals to 5413. Suppose here is a 3 plus here is a blank equals to 5. So what will be the result? Here is 2 because 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Or we can say 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So if we want this value, we have to subtract this one to this one. So same thing, here is a 5419 subtract 5409. So what will be the value? 9 minus 9, it will be 0. 1 minus 0, it will be 1. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. And 5 minus 5, it will be 0. So this case, our result is 10. Okay, very simple. Question B, also same thing. This one is a question A. This one is a question B. 6409 minus 5409. We have to find out the value. So 9 minus 9, it will be 0. 0 minus 0, it will be 0. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. And 6 minus 5, it will be 1. So we can say our answer will be 1, 0, 0, 0. Question C. Here is a 5409 and 5410. It's a very simple. We need just one, right? Now 5409 and here is a 5509. So this is a number D. We can write 5509 and here is minus 5409. So 9 minus 9, it will be 0. 0 minus 0, it will be 0. 5 minus 4, it's a 1. So we can say here is just 100. Here is a 7008 and here is a 6998. What will be the result? So this case we can write 7008 minus 6998. So 8 minus 8, it will be 0. So this 0 become 10. So 10 minus 9, it will be 1 and carry. So this one become 10. So we take this from, it's a 4th. It's a now become, it was a 10. So now it's a 9. So 9 minus 9, it's a 0. Right? And this one becomes 6. So 6 minus 6 also 0. So the result is only 10. So 6998 plus something equals to 7098. So what will be the result? 7098 and here is a 6998. So 8 minus 8, it will be 0. 9 minus 9, it will be 0. 0 minus 9, it's not possible. So we take from here. So it will be 10 and this one becomes 6. 10 minus 9, it will be 1 and 6 minus 6, it will be 0. So here is also what? 100. So same 7998 minus 6998. So 8 minus 8, it will be 0. 9 minus 9, it will be 0. 9 minus 9, it will be 0. And finally 7 minus 6, it will be 1. So here is a 1000. And what is the final thing? Here is a 6998 and here is a 6991. Just 9 minus 8, it's a 1. So 6998 plus 1 becomes 6999. So question 3 done. Now here is a question 4. Here is also fill in the blank. But look, here is a subtraction. So let's say here is a 5 and we subtract something and the result is 2. So what will be the result? The result is 3, right? 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So how can we find out this 3? It's a very simple. 5 minus this 2 become 3. So if this one is a 1, this one is a 2, and this one is a 3, so our target to make this one 1 minus 3. Okay, so first 4864 minus 4863. So 4 minus 3 it will be 1, 6 minus 6 it will be 0, 8 minus 8 it will be 0, 4 minus 4 it will be 0. So our result here is only what? Here is a 1. So we can write in here 1. So same thing, here is a 4864 and here is a 4764. So 4 minus 4 it will be 0, 6 minus 6 it will be 0, 8 minus 7 it's a 1, 4 minus 4 it will be 0, so no need to write this one. Same thing, here is a 4 minus 4 it will be 0, 6 minus 6 it will be 0, 8 minus 8 also 0, and finally 4 minus 3 it's a 1. Next one, here is a 4 minus 4 it will be 0, 6 minus 5 here is a 10 it means 1, 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 4 0, so our answer is only 10. So here is a 4050 and here is a 40541. So once we subtract 1 our result will be this, and here is a 4050 3050. So we can say if we subtract 1000 from 4050 the result will be 3050. How? Look, 4050 minus 3050. So 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 5 0, 0 minus 0 0, and 4 minus 3 it will be 1. So what next? Here is a 4050 and here is a 3950. So we have to carefully look this one, 4050 and minus 3950. So here is a 0, here is a 0, this 0 becomes like 10, so 10 minus 9 it will be 1, so this 4 becomes 3, so 3 minus 3 it will be 0. So we can say our answer is 100. Here is a 4050, here is a 4040. So what will be the result? 0 minus 0 it will be 0, 5 minus 4 it will be 1, and 0 0 4 4 0. So the result is 10. So this video we already completed question 3 and 4. We are in Singapore Math 3A exercise 4. So this video we will also try to solve number question 5, which is complete the following number patterns.